there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be making a coin quilt block. This is going to be block number 7 in the Quilt Block for Beginner series. Very easy to make. All you're going to need today is you'll need an iron, some scissors, a rotary cutter, a ruler, and you're going to need some fabric. My fabric cut down to 5 inches by 10 inches. All you're going to do for this easy quilt block is you're just going to take and you're going to just put these together in twos. I've chosen the Ukrainian colors in support of the Ukrainian people. I am going to put these together and I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew 1/4 inch. And I'm going to do this to 4 different segments. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to call, after I do the 4 segments, I'm going to call this one quilt block. That's going to give me 8 pieces of fabric and 4 segments, but we'll call that one quilt block. Okay, I'll see you over the sewing machine. All you're going to do is you're just going to put your presser foot down and you're going to follow your 1/4 inch seam. And I've got my tape here to give me as a guide, my blue painter's tape. And I'm just going to sew 1/4 inch all the way down. I'm going to chain piece this until I get all of my segments done. I'm going to just do this with 4 segments because I just need 4 to make this quilt block. Okay, I'll see you back over at the iron. All you're going to do is you're just going to snip these little threads off where you just chain piece. You'll do that to all of them. You're going to pick it up by the dark side and you're just going to set the seam. I'm going to give it a little bit of a steam and I'm going to push that right open. And I'm just going to do this to all of them. Pick it up by the dark side, set the seam, and push open. Okay, I'll see you back over at the sewing machine. Now all we're going to do is we're going to put the right sides together and we're going to lay these together. You're still going to want the colors to be alternated. Okay, and you're going to line that up. We're just connecting that other the other 4 piece, the 4 pieces here, which is 2 segments, to the other 2 segments. Put your foot down and sew 1/4 inch. And I will see you back at the iron. All you're going to do is give that last segment piece where you just made that seam, set the seam, open it up, and give it one more press. Right where you opened it. And if you want, you can just give the whole block a press. And this is what we're going to call our quilt block. This will be a coin quilt. Remember, you can do this block with all different colors. Possibilities are endless. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, and remember to keep it simple. Have a good day. Bye.